today we've got the, I don't know, I don't read Japanese, but it's a 20th anniversary Naruto Shippuden. Hard to believe that's 20 years old, but here we are. It's probably older than that now. $50 at GameStop. Like all of them, I got it on a buy two, get one free sale over there. They're a bit poopy. Padding. Alright, Itachi Uchiha. We're gonna go for the base first. It's always good to start at the bottom up. So there's your base. Alright. Here we have Itachi, minus his head and arm. He's in his, oh boy, Akatsuki robes. Alright, so this has like cardboard. They're very protective of his feet. Careful. Ooh! Okay. So I like that his robes are all like tattered. It like fits his like whole crow vibe. His foot is just hanging on a rock because he's going to be stepping up for dramatic effect. So, big hole, little hole. Big peg, little peg. Not that hard. They actually are more or less lined up. And there we have part of Itachi sitting on a base. Alright, next I see his arm. Complete with the crow, raven, whatever it's supposed to be. And so we have, you know, your typical slot. Goes into his shoulder. So he's got it like that. Actually slid in very easy. It's gonna stay there. I mean, it looks super creepy. Probably more so without the head. It looks like he's about to do that forehead tap thing he always does on Sasuke, which would make sense. And here we have Itachi's head, smaller than I imagined. He's got the line through his headband. A flowing ponytail. So we're just gonna match that with this. His hair feels easily breakable, so I'm nervous. Alright, but that pushed in. And there we have the Itachi Uchiha figure. Pretty nice. Alright, for 50 bucks, it's about what you'd expect. It's very nice. I enjoy it. Now just imagine him doing that. Come here, brother, come here. Big brother! Whoosh! Ah!